Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to DreamView. I will tell you how to rotate image into the Microsoft Paint. First of all, go to image location. This is the image which I want to rotate. Click on that image, right click on edit. This is the paint. Okay, if you want to go, you can go like this also, paint. Okay, here I will show you how to rotate image. Okay, this is the image. Here there is an option called rotate. Click on that. Here rotate right 90 degrees or else left 90 degrees or else rotate 180 degrees. Rotate right 90 degrees, left, one more side left. Okay, if you want 180 degrees, if you keep 2 times 360 degrees. Okay, like this friends, we can rotate and you can save this image how you are expecting. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Any doubts you can comment below, I will respond to comment. Thank you.